What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently just finishing up getting the cable completely set up. We got the torch head in, the Plas cutter came in, and we did have an issue with the table not moving on the Y-axis, so we had to do a lot of troubleshooting. I called Eastwood. They were more than happy enough to get me a list of videos on how to troubleshoot with that. I'm gonna bring you guys in here and kind of show you what the problem is that I had, and hopefully we can have that resolved today. So on the screen, it's hard to see it. Okay, so on the screen, my X-axis does move, so watch those numbers right there. But when you can see the heads moving back and forth. So when I go to move my Y, sorry, you can see the numbers move also, but no movement on the machine. So Nick from Eastwood, he was kind enough to reach out to us, and he had me do a bunch of different tests and diagnosis, and what we were able to find out that it was actually the cord from the screen to the main board down here where all the drivers are. So we tested it, continuity tested it, all the pins. I mean, we did a lot of stuff testing and on the phone and trying to do this and that, but we are just about to fire this thing up. I am waiting for the cord, and the UPS should be bringing it today, so hopefully this is gonna fix our issue, and then we can start doing like practice cuts. I already got a bunch of sheet metal. I got a bunch of 4x4 16 gauge sheets. I also got some 1/4 inch to test on, and we got the air compressor hooked up, and I cannot wait to get this thing going. I'm just patiently waiting. Other than that, what we got going on around here, it is raining bad right now. It's snowing in some parts real close to us right now. With the C10, I still have to do the rear end on it, fix the pinion angle, move the perches and stuff. I gotta pull the fuel cell out, because when we're welding, I definitely don't want to weld near that. They'll be grinding and stuff, so let's not catch his truck on fire or my shop. What else? We got some new shirts going. I'm out of the Fantini kits at the moment, but we'll have more on the way. Stay tuned on that with the website. Once we get this Plas going, I'm going to start making some bag plates, like the round ones, for S10s with the cups and stuff. So hopefully we can get into that real soon. But in the meantime, I'm just crossing my fingers that the cord is the issue, which when we tested it out, the continuity test, the number 10 pin was not working at all, which is part of the Y-axis. So hopefully this will be the problem, or fix the problem, I should say. If you guys are watching the channel, please like and subscribe if you like the content. I see that there's a lot of new viewers, but they're not subscribers, so I encourage everybody to subscribe to the channel. This is what helps the algorithm and helps the channel grow. We did get approved for like branded content, so if anybody's watching, hit me up. Let's get some brand content going, maybe some reviews or stuff like that. I mean, I'm always down to test out welders, grinders, grinding discs, sanding discs, you name it, wire wheels, all that stuff, tools, I don't know, anything. Anyways, the only other thing that I have to do on the machine right now is make sure that the torch is square this way and this way, and pretty much just put water in it. do the test. So happy Friday to everybody. Stay tuned on the channel because I'm trying to keep up on the content. As you see, this year I'm trying to do a lot more videos. I try to do a lot of content with the mini trucks and the car scene, but the car show season hasn't started yet. Once that happens, we will definitely get into that. I am going to be shifting gears and moving over to the Scion. I need to finish. When I bagged it, I did not put a plate down or a board or anything, so like the air compressor and the tank are just sitting in the back of the car. I did end up getting a floor mat kit that was like a one piece for the back, and I'm just going to use that as a template to cut my wood and then set it down in there, and we'll make it look nice. So stay tuned for that. Again, if you guys like the channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm trying to post a video at least every week. Sorry the content's not picking up super quick. As I do this on the side, my business is kind of my priority. So yeah, man, JFab, we're out. Dreams are only fantasy if you're not willing to put in the work. Catch you on the next one.
Been about time that we're going away. Been about time, it's a whole nother day. Put the heat on to the Tetons with the neon you can lean on. Never get beat on, hey. But you don't even listen, huh? But you're not even wishing, huh? You just keep on fishing, huh? Wonder where we go, we don't even know, huh? You hit me like a megaton. You hit me like a megaton. You hit me like a megaton.